Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to shimmer and shine dance. We'll start by breaking down the core elements. Focus on your posture and finding your rhythm. Practice gentle body isolations, like shoulder shimmies and hip movements, to build a strong foundation. Pay attention to how your arms and hands can add expression and flow to each step, making your dance truly captivating. Now, let's dive into the core shimmer techniques. Begin with subtle shoulder shimmies, focusing on small, controlled movements that create an elegant ripple. Next, work on isolating your hips, allowing them to move independently to add a dynamic, energetic feel. Remember to connect these movements smoothly, ensuring your entire body flows together seamlessly, rather than appearing disjointed. To truly make your dance shine, let's add some flair. Expressive facial movements can convey emotion and engage your audience, so don't be afraid to smile or show intensity. Incorporate level changes, moving from low to high, to create visual interest and depth in your routine. Finally, experiment with simple turns and spins. These can add a professional and exciting touch to your overall performance. Consistent practice is key to mastering any dance. Aim for at least 15 minutes daily to build muscle memory and refine your movements. Recording yourself can be incredibly helpful. Watching playback allows you to spot areas for improvement and track your progress over time. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your car smelling fantastic and keep dancing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.